Fortunately, Instagram had the sense to include a way to rediscover these websites or links in your profile for later perusal. You can now view all websites you have opened on Instagram in a single location. Let's find out how to use the official Instagram apps for Android and iOS. Open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen on the right. Now, select the menu icon on the top right. Select your activity from the menu that will slide open from the right. You will find all opened links and websites under the Links tab. There is no search button here. You can scroll through the list and tap on any URL to open the link again. The links are arranged date-wise, starting from the most recent and open in Instagram's in-app browser with no way to open in your preferred browser directly. To hide or delete individual links that you don't need or want anyone else to view, tap and hold on the individual link. Tap on the Hide Links button to delete the link.